Dangerous. So, good morning everyone. This is day 3 and you'll be surprised by the scene that I'm looking right now. Just look at the moon. If you can notice the moon. This moon. This is our room where we stay, and the sun is about to rise, and we're about to go to have our early breakfast and leave towards Langtang today. I'm sure we'll reach Langtang today, right? Yes. But because of the landscapes and the snow covered everywhere, I just want to stay here a bit longer, but it isn't possible today. We have to move on towards our destination. We're moving from our room to the kitchen section. Oh, good morning. The horse just said good morning, I think.
Why are you running?
That's the part where we stayed, and look at the sunrise on the mountain. Wow. Oh, too cold. Yesterday I couldn't film the dinner part because my battery was too low. One battery is fully dead. This one is also about to be dead. I don't know till when I'm gonna film, but still, thank you so much, Mountain Tiger Nepal. So this is our breakfast: chocolate pancake with milk coffee, and the scene outside is amazing. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Hugo.
Hugo. Yeah. So, where are you heading today?
Yeah, I'm going to Lama Hotel.
Lama Hotel, right? So, how was your overall trip?
Super great.
Amazing,
It
right?
was exhausting, but the sceneries were incredible.
Yeah. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, me
Thank
too.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, we're about to pack our bags and leave towards Langtang. That breakfast was good, right? I hope it will give us the energy we need for today. The sunrise makes it even more amazing to see. Let's go. Frozen water. It will take us almost 3 hours. The average time is 3 hours. Oh, khatra is. And we've just arrived at Kyanjin for 5 minutes rest. So we have encountered black-faced laughing thrush. It's a species of a bird found in higher altitude. Nice. If I go any closer, then they will fly away. It's good to see from a distance. We are at 3,200 meters above the sea level. So this is the memorial wall, which was built for the loved ones who lost their lives during the earthquake of 2015, April 25, in the Langtang Valley. During that day, it was, I think, the seasonal time of the Langtang trek. So many people had came here to trek, go towards the peak climbing of the Cherkuri Peak, sorry. And during that time, big earthquake collapsed many buildings at this region, and many people died, lost their lives. It's currently minus 14 degrees outside, but because of the wood fire inside, the room temperature has increased, and we are about to have our dinner. Traditional dal bhat with fried egg. And okay, let's start.